Guys, today's video is going to be super dangerous because today's experiment is going to be with this beast, that is this huge Fortuner. So guys, a few years ago from today, we had done an experiment with the tire of our bike R15. We had hammered nails into its tires, not 1, not 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nails. And here is the hammer. Alright guys, so let's do its puncture test. And then the results that we got were really shocking, guys. There's one with a tube where air starts leaking the moment you insert a nail, but this is tubeless tire, and a Fortuner tire is really super powerful, is thick, is strong. But in today's video, we will test this too. We will hammer multiple nails into it, and after that we will see how long it takes for the air to leak out of it, or it doesn't leak, and we will find out whether this tire gets damaged or not. How much strength is there in this tubeless tire? Guys, this tire is quite expensive and it's my favorite car too. Today we are experimenting with it, so go like this video, man. Around 1 million. Go on, do it. Go ahead, no worries. So now, come on quickly. Roll the intro. Titanium is already in our blood. Please don't try to do any of this at home. You can see that the nail is longer than my finger, and we are going to hammer it into the tire here. And along with this, we also have this to fill air as well. I'm going to start the car and turn the tire this side a little so that the nails can be hammered. So guys, let's hammer now. Get ready? I don't feel like it, but let's try. Guys, you can see that I'm trying to hammer this nail in, but it isn't going in. It's bouncing back quite a bit. Usually when we drive the car, the nail goes in quite easily, but it's bouncing back quite a bit right now. Take a look. Take a look. Look how much effort I'm putting in to hammer this. You want to try? Go ahead and try. You do it. Save your hand. Oh! Hang on. So guys, you can see that Mota Bhai has the power. He hammered the nail in one go. Now the nail is in the tire. Let's hammer it fully and see how far it goes. So guys, I have hammered the nail in fully, and from nowhere can I hear the sound of the air leaking. Let's hammer more. Let's keep doing it until the air pressure in the tire doesn't reduce. So guys, now you can see that into this tire we have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have hammered 20 nails. That means there are 20 punctures in this tire, but the air pressure is still full within it. You can see from nowhere is the air leaking out. Let's hammer more. So let's take the car back a little. Let it go.
Yes, go back, go back,
Go back.
go back.
More.
Yes. More. Go back. Go back. A little more. That's it.
Guys, you can see that the air pressure in the tire is exactly the same and the entire surface here is hammered with nails. I have more nails. Let's hammer them all in. So guys, while hammering in the nails, 4 people have gotten injured. Pratap is injured, Dinesh is injured, Mota has gotten hurt thrice. The hammer is not getting the job done, so I'm trying a different approach with the rock. It's going in easily. So guys, here we have hammered in about half a kilo of nails. Let me count and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 nails, guys. We have made 41 punctures in the car, and even after that, the car tire still has air inside. Guys, I'll pour water and show you. Look. Guys, air is leaking out from everywhere, but in the way that... Look here. Look here. When we hammer nails into tube tires, air leaks out immediately. It gets out, but here you can see that the air is leaking very slowly. It's not leaking immediately. Let's do one thing. Let's try to drive the car in this very condition.
Let it go. Let it go.
Oh! Are the nails going in?
Yes, they are. Come forward. Come forward.
Take a look now.
Come further. Come further.
Are they going in?
Is it going in?
Should I keep going?
Come further. Come further.
Are they bending?
Come forward. Come forward. Let it come. Let it come. Come forward. Come forward. Come forward. Let it go in. It's going at all.
Guys, all the nails have gone inside the tire. Let's take it back a bit and let's try to drive it in this condition itself. Guys, this is looking very awesome, this scene. Come on, let's try to drive this now. Guys, the car is running with 41 punctures. You can see that the tire still has air in it. There are 41 punctures, guys. We can hear weird noises from the tire. Guys, despite hammering in 41 nails, the car is still running quite well. Let's turn it around and see. Guys, you can see how all of the 41 nails have gone completely inside this tire, whereas the size of the nails was this. The diameter of this tire is quite big. That is why you can see that the air pressure in the tire, it has come down a bit now. And now the air pressure is not how much it was when we began this experiment. But there is still so much air pressure that this car can run approximately 10 kilometers. However, this tire has been completely damaged, and instead of fixing so many punctures, it's better to get a brand new tire itself. So on this note, it makes sense to like this video because we have to get this tire changed in the Fortuner. As you can see, it's a brand new tire. It's not very old. So now you have seen what happens when we hammer nails into the tire of a Fortuner. Look, that to 41. The car runs perfectly fine. But guys, you better not try this, because not every car has a wheelbase like this, guys. Because in case any of you try this, the nail that is here, it will hit the stepney, the main ring, and damage it somewhere or the other. That's why you shouldn't try this. And that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.